In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a free Snapchat mod menu in 2025. It's completely free and works on both iOS and Android. As you can see on your screen, this mod gives you access to all the hacks and features you could want, including unlimited Snapchat score for both iOS and Android. Some of the options include secret screenshot, secret screen recording, unlimited Snapchat score, hide viewed snaps, hide read messages, and much more. Before we start, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. To check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and see if an update is available. If it's already up to date, you're good to go. The next step is simple. Head over to the pinned comment down below. There, I'll explain exactly where you can get Snapchat Plus Plus. That's it! If this method worked for you, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.